true X77 D80 car, 711 standard interior, factory hugger orange, code 7272. This is the original motor. It has been all chromed up and built, but it is the original motor. Factory 6 grand red line to 8 grand tack, idling at about 800 RPMs, 97,000 miles, 50 pounds of oil pressure. Everything works. Reupholstered front seats with new foam, original back seat, original headliner, new door panels, original floors and trunk. Quarters have been done and they're very nicely done. Little car runs and drives excellent. It's got gorgeous factory orange paint. It's now done in base coat, clear coat. This car is straight. It just needs all the chrome stuff wiped off and the correct Z28 things put back on it under the hood. The VIN stamp on the block is not visible on the side. The original date codes are and rep to us as being the original motor. We're going to call it date code correct. It is factory DZ, not a restamp. The original block. Spring was rolled out, sandblasted, put back in. This car is ready to go. Gorgeous. And yours. If you come and buy it before we paint the grill and do all the DZ stuff under the hood, it's $55,000. If you wait for us to get it done, it's another price. We're happy to do that for our customers. www.redlinemusclecars.com. It just came in today and it's for sale while we're working on it. Thanks and God bless.